Hello, everyone. It's Marie here. Happy to share some brand new information to you about some changes you might have noticed on mariedeveaux.com. Now, don't worry. All of the same goodness is there. I am still empowering women and people of color to magnify their voice in business spaces. And there's something extra special that I want to share with you today about how you can take all that magnification to a whole new level when it comes to starting your own business and really building that legacy that we're constantly talking about. Those of you who joined me for the Business Lovers Sprints this last week, you know that there is a ton of information in my brain around how to help people overcome overwhelm and get into sprinting towards the business of their dreams. If you go to mariedeveaux.com right now and look for the Side Hustle Intensive in the menu feature, you'll see the brand new revamped program that I have launched to help make sure that you too are leveling up in your business. Now, many of you know I've been working on the Side Hustle Intensive as a group coaching program for the last 2 years. And finally, I'm ready to debut it as a brand new hybrid program. From the info page, you'll see this program is all about building a business that loves you back. It's a 13-week comprehensive development plan for transitioning into small business ownership and building it the way that you've always dreamed. Now, the program is designed to walk through the 5 main areas that I focus on with my one-on-one clients, which means you'll be able to manage your personal budget and your finances without headache. You'll be able to finally understand how to increase your net worth. You'll start looking at interpreting your own operating budget, your profit and loss statement for your business. You'll perfect your elevator pitch. You'll finally understand your ideal customer and how to attract those people to you. And you'll also be looking at the support you need to take care of yourself and your business from day one. Now, the great thing about this is it's a hybrid program, which means there's online material that you will have lifetime access to, videos, audio files, worksheets, but there's also group coaching every other week, so you're in community with others. And you get one-on-one coaching time with me to dig in on your personal business and building out your strategy to make sure you are implementing all of these goodies in a way that makes you shine and lets the world see your magic. I want to show you what's inside the members area. Once you get access to this course, you'll see that it is beautiful, if I may say so myself. You're going to go ahead and click on the Side Hustle to Main Squeeze icon, and that's going to take you to the course page. From here, you can access the private Facebook group where all of the other side hustlers are going to be convening throughout the program and beyond. You'll get access to my calendar to schedule your business coaching sessions one-on-one, and access to all the group calls, which will be held over Zoom over the next 13 weeks. And then there's the content. Now, I've already told you there's video. There's over 30 video lectures in this program. I'm going to give you a little teaser and show you the first.
Welcome, everyone, to the Side Hustle Intensive. I hope y'all are ready because it's about to go down.
Now, isn't that amazing? And because it's mobile, you can watch that on your cell phone or your computer or cast to your TV, whatever your jam happens to be, right? And of course, with every video, you also get links directly to all of the resources. That's checklist, Excel files, PDF downloads, all of the tools that I've used to get my business up and running to go from 0 to 6 figures in only 3 short years. Now, all of this is fantastic. I know you're already excited because I'm super, super excited. And oh, did I mention you can also just listen to the audio files of the lectures? So,
Welcome, everyone, to the Side.
You can take me on the go and just have me in your ear on your commute too. That's right. I've thought of almost everything. So if you think you're definitely interested in this program, here's what I want you to do. Head on over to mariedeveaux.com. Take a look at the info page. And if you're still confused, schedule a time to speak with me directly. My calendar is always open for hustlers who are ready to level up. but this program has me so excited. And if you think you're good to go, maybe you don't need the extra chat, you're just going to read it all, then you can go ahead and take advantage of the early bird discount. Now, the program officially launches on Monday, August the 12th. Registration will be open until the 19th. But if you get in before we start on the 12th, it's only $19.97, or you can do monthly payments for $197 a month, which is actually less than the cost of one session with me for an hour. Can you believe this deal? You get one-on-one time with me, group coaching, a private Facebook group of other entrepreneurs to surround yourself with community, and over 30 video lectures, audio files, and dozens of worksheets and templates to take you step by step to exploding your business and letting your magic out on the rest of the world. It's the side hustle to main squeeze, baby. Build a business that loves you back.